Ayayay Rastaman. Please I did check your bag. Early morning barefoot on the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No noise, just leaves a whisper soft. Jah presence I me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff, fi bless the way. Me mind get clear, me heart obey. Me no need no gold, no diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me eyes see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge.
Me eat ital, me soul stay clean. No poison in a me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand the grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound.
Blow mine a whisper, stay humble Rasta. Fire say, keep the flame for Jah. Let it flow, me brethren. Get the earth and mind, everything return. In the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant fi bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold Jah word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The heart of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up fi overstand. Oh, we connect from Jah own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalm in breeze and flames. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance pan earth, me sing with tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step, me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks. For the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Give me light one more. Watch me spirit soar. That life a flow. Rasta know.
Ganja and sweat kaya man. Me rise up in the morning breeze. No alarm, just birds and trees. Sunlight kiss the Rasta face. Another day fi overstand the pace. Me stretch me limbs, me mind are clear. Me give Jah thanks fi still be here. A little herb, a little tea. Balance me soul and energy. In a meditation, heals me, find me way. Me blaze and reason till night turn day. Me no chase world, me just obey. The voice of Jah me vital food cooking in bamboo shoots. Me reason deep with me sister and them talk about life and the heights of men. Me drum sound echo in a me chest. Every beat bring me soul to rest. Me know say Babylon still watch, but me stay firm like lion path. Lace for clarity, not just escape. Herbs for healing shape me fate. Love me weapon, peace me gate. Me live simple, me live great. In a meditation heals me soul, me zone. With every breath me come back home. No vanity, no mobile phone, just green trees and sacred tone. Smoke curl up like angel wing. Me chant for love, me chant and sing. Me see life in every living thing and give thanks for the vibes it bring. River run like rhythm deep, me bathe me skin, me soul, me keep me sit pan rock and close me eyes and reason with the butterflies. Me no care about who wear crown, me care about joy, not status gone. The mountain teach what book can say, so me listen, learn and pray each day. Me trod slow but me trod strong, even when life feel too long. Me burn out doubt, me blaze up faith. Me never early, me never late. Rasta we are no trend, a truth. I link to roots and ancient youth. I live it beyond material thing, where every breath a holy swing. In a meditation heals me soul rejoice. Me hear the drum, me hear Jah voice. No confusion, me have me choice. Feel live free and chant my voice. Smoke rise up in sacred style. Me and the most I reason a while. From hillside prayer to city mile, me carry peace and Rasta smile.
Yeah man, Ayayay Rastaman lungs, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pan a mountain top. No phone, no clock, just me and just scrap. Birds a sing, breeze a whisper me name. Peace na the heart, love na the flame. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the day. Every puff of prayer, me troubles fade away. Me no need no riches, me no chase no gold. Me spirit stay a young, though me body grow old. Hillside reasoning, under the sky so wide. Me reason with me brethren, no ego, no pride. Herb in a hand and wisdom in speech. We reach higher heights where Babylon can't reach. Hillside reasoning, natural like belief. We burn down lies and chant out grief. In the hills we find truth so pure. With each draw we open the door. Me cook ital stew with me coconut cream. Me nah eat meat, me nah live fi dream. Me live fi now, fi present, fi breath. Fi each moment me give thanks till death. Me dreadlock long, it tell me tale of fire me walk through and storm and heal. Still me hold strong like ancient tree. Roots deep in Zion, the spirit stay free. Me chant Rastafari with every breath. Me praise the most high, me nah fear death. Me temple clean, me conscience bright. Me live with truth, me sleep with light. Them can't fool I with politics and fame. Me can't be bought, me no play them game. Me seek the stillness where silence reign, and draw the herb to ease me brain. Hillside reasoning, beneath the starry sky, where Jah voice echo and angels fly. Hillside reasoning, roots man know what Babylon hide. Rastaman show. Me take a walk down through the forest trail. Me meet a wise elder with skin so pale. She says, son, keep walking the narrow way. Jah light will guide you night and day. Me carry our words like stone in pack. Every time me slip, it guide me back. Me no stray far, me mind stay sharp. Even when the world get cold and dark, me burn one spliff for the last lost and poor. For the youth them crying behind closed door. Me sing for love, me sing for hope. Me words like fire, me music like rope. Fi pull up souls from Babylon floor. Fi knock on hearts, fi open Jah door. Me no preach hate, me no say war. Me say peace and unity near and far. Hillside reasoning from roots to sky. We chant them truths, them can't deny. Hillside reasoning, natural and free. Inna the hills, me find the real me. Rasta na rush, Rasta just chud. We have a love in the heart and wisdom from God. Hillside call, where me spirit stand tall. Draw the herb and me answer Jah call.
Yeah, man. Rastaman is higher, man. Oh, oh, oh,
oh. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress in a me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes. One draw, and me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or higher state. One draw, and the spirits align. Herb teach truth, deep in a me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze. Me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see.
Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of teeth. My garden full, my vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern.
Me not chase hype, me live for light. Me rest when moon come, rise when bright. The herb me guide, the chant me shield. Me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth, well lost and blind. Me blaze for those stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity call. One flame, one love, rise over all. One draw, and me flow through time. Me see the system, and me skip the crime. One draw, and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw, and me nah go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy ripe. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rastaman must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb to open the path and take each moment like sacred baths. It's not stars blaze and vibes, me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is for heal, not for waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie. Come me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw, and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw, and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. One drop, one bend your mind. One flame burn Babylon time. One love forever shine. One draw, divine design. Zion, my Rastafari brother. Let the session begin. Me wake up and me see the fire. System a burn, me soul get higher. Them lock me down, me break the chain. Me dance in a street when come the rain. Every youth in a the black no pain. But me bring
hope with reggae strain. Them say calm down, me say no man. Me voice a lion, me nah stop chant. Them politicians full of chat, but me say action, not just that. Me say grow your own, free your mind. Break the curse that Babylon bind. Me say money can't buy respect. True rebel move with intellect. Me say knowledge over bling and gold. Revolution story unfold. Fire blaze high, reach the sky. Them can cool what just supply. Me say rebel heart, me say rebel sound. We not bow when this system wrong. Fire in a Babylon, light up the night. Truth are the weapon, wisdom and me might. From the corner to the mountain top, the youth rise up, now can't stop. Fire in a Babylon, crack the wall. Me chant freedom, feel one and all. From Kingston town to London street, me drum beat make them feel the heat. Me say fi every mother cry fi son. Me say fight until justice done. Them profit off with sweat and blood, but reggae rise up like with flood. The sound system shake the ground. Babylon was tumble down. Me say unity, me say love. Me say lion hearts fly like dove. Me not care fi Babylon crown. Me want fi see the people sound. No more puppet, no more chain. No more living in a fake it pain. Me say plant seed in a youth mind. Watch wisdom blossom over time. Me say trust Jah, not trust them. The system fail again and again. Boom! Me foot on the pedal, blaze through the ghetto like rebel medal. Me lyrics heavy like thunder roll. Me music deep in a every soul. The elders rise, the youth unite. The fire blaze bright in a the night. Me say dance, me say sing. Reggae music, break the king. Fire in a Babylon, light up the night. Truth are the weapon, wisdom and me might. From the corner to the mountain top, the youth rise up, now can't stop. Fire in a Babylon, crack the wall. Me chant freedom, feel one and all. From Kingston town to London street, me drum beat make them feel the heat. Me say tear off mask, show the face. Babylon can't win this race. Me say freedom, me say right. Me say rebel, vice ignite. The time come, no time fi wait. The system tremble under weight. Me say forward, me say no. Me say break them, chain make vow. Me say feed the youth, feed the poor. Open up every locked door. Me say chant till Babylon fall. Reggae echo in a every hall. Fire blaze, fire strong, rebel music all night long. Me say rise up, nah sit down. The time for youth feel wear the crown. Zion brother, let's go. Them say calm down, you just obey. But my born with the fire we can't fade away. Inna the streets where the siren cry, me lift my head, my voice reach sky. The system where them build for mash we mine. But me say Rasta youth keep your grind. From the ghetto corner to the mountain peak, me chant truth even when me weak. Me say politician lie, me say leader fake. Them rob the earth, them rob the lake. But me say mama nature can't be bought. Our roots deep, our lessons start. Me nah sit still, me nah play dead. Me nah swallow lies, them a spread.
The lion on my chest, roar loud, break the chain, push through the crowd. Lions roar in a concrete jungle, break the silence, break the struggle. Hear it echo, cross the land. Rebel heart, rebel band. Lions roar in a Babylon town. Tear them walls, tear them down. One voice, one sound. Revolution, come around. Me say youth man rise now, be no clone. Find your purpose, find your own tone. The world now need another puppet face. We need leaders full of grace. Miss a ganja smoke, lift the prayer. Your blessings fall like river layer. We now go hide when the storm a blow. We face the fire, let the whole world know. Me say the media twist your head, feed your poison, leave you dead. But me say books over headline feed, plant the wisdom like righteous seed. Can you hear the roots man call? Can you feel the Babylon fall? Can you taste the freedom breeze? Me say chant it down on your knees. Me say hands up, me say heart strong. Me say sing your freedom song. Me say light a flame in the dark. Me say leave your rebel mark. Lions roar in a concrete jungle, break the silence, break the struggle. Hear it echo, cross the land. Rebel heart, rebel band. Lions roar in a Babylon town. Tear them walls, tear them down. One voice, one sound. Revolution, come around. Me say no retreat, me say no surrender. The rebel youth a real defender. Me say each step much down fear. Me say Babylon hear me near. Me say me nah need no crown pan head. Me say me nah need no blood for shed. Me say word, me say rhythm, me say sound. Shake the city, shake the ground. Me say unity at the real ammunition. One love at the real revolution. Me say bless the elders, bless the child. Me say walk righteous, walk wild. Lions roar, shake the night. Me say truth, shine the brightest light. Me say from the root to the highest tree. Jah people rise, Jah people free. Lions roar. Ayayay, Kingston, gold in the paper. Me step out barefoot on the dirt, heartbeat drum with heavy hurt. Me say Babylon mash up the place, but me spirit shine can't erase. The system lock me in a cage, but me break free like a lion rage. Them push down poor, lift up greed. Me bring the anthem the people need. Me say nah bow to politician, nah follow them false mission. Me say roots run deep like river. Me chant fi heal, fi make you shiver. Lion heart, hear me cry. Me voice reach up to Jah high. From concrete jungle to mountain top, me nah stop chant, me nah stop drop. Lion heart, we rise up strong. Sing the freedom, sing the song. From the ghetto to the king's throne. Lion heart, we claim the zone. Lion heart, now lose faith. Break the chain, unlock the gate. We rebel, we dance, we pray. Lion heart, lead the way. Me say look in your mirror, you see warrior, na see terror. Me say Babylon try distract, but me say hold firm, no sidetrack. Them sell glitter, them sell gold, but them can't sell me soul. Me say wisdom over wealth. Me say love is the real health. Me say rise again. Me say
pain make you stronger, friend. Me say roots music teach the youth. Me say plant the seed, grow the truth. Me hear the voices of ancestors call. Stand tall, youth, never fall. Them like the fire in a me chest. Me chant for peace, me chant for rest. Me say drums beat down Babylon wall. Me say love rise up, conquer all. Me say we not go silent now. Me say we bring the rebel sound. Lion heart, we rise up strong. Sing the freedom, sing the song. From the ghetto to the king's throne. Lion heart, we claim the zone. Lion heart, nah lose faith. Break the chain, unlock the gate. We rebel, we dance, we pray. Lion heart, lead the way. Me say unity are the key. Me say break down the boundary. Me say black, white, rich or poor. Me say open up Jah door. Me say Babylon crumble fast. Me say only love will last. Me say youth are the revolution. Me say chant for the solution. Me say street light flicker on. Me say chant till Babylon gone. Me say never forget where you're from. Me say dance under Jah sun. Me hear the call through iron cloud. Truth still chanting steady proud. Them try block we with towers high, but echoes rise, still pierce the sky. Them build them kingdom in a steel and smoke. Sell hope like wine for the rich folk. We not born for silence or cage. We vice too wild, we soul too sage. Them flood the youth with flashy screen, but blackout come and dreams get lean. Me walk with message in a me chest. Carved from struggle, carved from west. Every ghetto a holy scroll. Every sufferer play them role. Them call we rebel, me say correct. Cause we not accept disrespect. Echoes rise through the iron sky. Carry truth, them can't deny. From Trenchtown Yard to Mountain High. We chant for freedom, we chant for I. Iron sky can't block Jah sound. We message deep, it can't drown. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Feel we beat with fire, we sacred ground. Me not fear no drone or law. Me know Jah move through every flaw. Them track me step, them scan me face. But Jah write code, them can't erase. Me mind sharp like ancient spear. Me words cut clean, me sight clear. Me say teach the youth, build them pride. Tell them truth, them always hide. We not robot, we not slave. We the lion who can behave. Every chant a sacred fight. Every beat a blaze of light. Them engine a the mental chain. But me chant break algorithm brain. Them no know say song still free. Rasta rise through frequency. From jungle roots to urban block. We heartbeat stronger than them clock. System twist but can't erase the soul of a freeborn face. So me stand pan rhythm and rock. With rebel fire, with dreadlock. Them say hush, me say talk. Them build them cage, me bun lock. Echoes rise through the iron sky. Carry truth, them can't deny. From Trenchtown Yard to Mountain High. We chant for freedom, we chant Rastaman so high. Babylon build the wall so tall, but me say one day them a surely fall. Them stack the bricks with greed and lies, but truth rise up and touch the skies. Me walk through the streets where the sirens wail. Me see the youths behind the jail. Them lock them up for a little herb, while politicians sip them expensive verb. Me say system mash up mama land, drain the water, poison the sand. But me say earth can't take no more. Nature's wrath and knock on the door. So me chant with the elders, me chant with the youth. Me chant the fire, me chant the truth. No matter how Babylon strong, the righteous beat still carry on. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the trumpet, hear the call. Me say rise up, one and all. Babylon walls must surely fall. Babylon walls, brick and stone, can't stand against flesh and bone. Me say heart strong, soul tall. Babylon walls, them a go fall. Them put camera on the corner. Me say big brother getting warmer, but me say me not bow to fear. Me say Jah voice always near. Me say me people rise from slumber. Me say break the chain, break the number. Me say unity mash down divide. Me say one love on every side. Me say children of the sun can't stop till freedom come. Me say ghetto youth chant this song. Me say rich and poor sing along. Rasta say chant, chant Babylon down. Beat the drum, shake the ground. From Africa to Jam down shore, Babylon can't take no more. Me say Babylon can't hide the truth. Me say youth man know the proof. Me say spread love, me say spread light. Me say keep the vision bright. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the trumpet, hear the call. Me say rise up, one and all. Babylon walls must surely fall. Babylon walls, brick and stone, can't stand against flesh and bone. Me say heart strong, soul tall. Babylon walls, them a go fall. Me say the final days draw near. Me say Babylon start for fear. Them see the crowd in the street, hear the drum, hear the beat. Me say me now want no bloody fight. Me say me want love and light. Me say revolution in a mind. Free your spirit, free your kind. Me say Babylon crumble slow. Me say we reap what we sow. Me say plant the tree, plant the peace. Me say let the wickedness cease. Babylon walls shake tonight. Me say hold your ground, hold it right. Me say one voice, one prayer. Babylon walls can't stay there.
Zion roots. We born in the struggle, we born in the fire, but we rise up higher with hearts full of desire. The system try lock we down, put we in chains, but we break through the walls, no matter the pains. Me ancestors guide me with wisdom so pure. They say stand tall, me child, my promise is sure. Me see the lies, me feel the betrayal, but we rise from the ashes, we break the veil. We walk through the storm, through the darkest night. With the strength of Jah, we step in the light. Me feel the power, me feel the call. We rise as one, we answer the fall. We rise rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, my spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. The world had turned, but we stay grounded in the truth of Jah. We've been surrounded. Them build them lies, but we see the cracks in the heart of the system. It all fall back. Me not bow to the fake crown, the golden lies. Me rise with the truth, me reach for the skies. Me spirit a warrior, me mind is clear. Me stand tall, me not show no fear. Them try fi break we, them try fi control, but we rise again with a stronger soul. From the ashes, we break through the chains. We rise in the light, we stand for the change. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, the spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. Me feel the power in every breath. We rise above the fear of death. Me see the light, me feel the truth. We rise as one, we bring the youth. The fire burn but we never fade. In the ashes we find the trade. Me feel the love, me feel the might. We rise from the ashes, we step in the light. We fight for peace, we fight for unity. In the struggle, we find immunity. Me see the power in the people's. Me feel it in a ear. System shiver like it knowing near. Truth arise, Babylon fear. Them walls start crack when vice appear. Them build it high, them build it wide, but justice now live on that side. Steel and glass tower of lies, but fire come from humble cries. Me see the suit and the tie spin tail, smiling sweet while the poor get pale. Them sign them paper we didn't chain, while we suffer in silent pain. Them preach control, call it peace, but every rule just extend leash. Digital leash, mental cage, a modern slave in a data page. System mask looks so clean, but behind it, corrupt machine. Them feed fear like daily meal, but truth still strong, truth still real. System shivers when we chant, cause we words now come from plant. Straight from roots, straight from flame, we call Babylon by name. System shivers when we rise, looking at we heart, not disguise. Them can't stop the rebel drum, Rasta vice, I make them numb. Me no need no man permission, fi speak me soul, fi claim me mission. Them label warriors as mad, but me proud fi be the one them add. Truth no follow man-made line, it grow wild, just like vine. From ghettos into mountain top, me spirit rise, it nah go stop. Me tap the youth in corner block, tell them truth, nah come from clock. Time no save your truth will do, knowledge deep like morning dew. Them try to mute the ancient word, but me say Rasta voice must be heard. Burn down illusion wall, rise up tall, never fall. System shivers when we chant, cause we words now come from plants. Straight from roots, straight from flame, we call Babylon by name. System shivers when we rise, looking at we heart,
you hear it shake. System built upon lie and fake. We come with sun, with soul, with light. Shatter dark with ancient might. Me no need stage or fame. Me just want them call your name. Me just want them youth to know. Them born blessed, roots are grow. So when you walk through system fire, hold the line, all you desire. We born free but them send we code. Plug in system, download road. But we now walk, no program part. We rise like sun, we burn them rat. Them got camera in the sky, but me spirit fly higher than high. Them send signal through pocket device, but me mind sharp like prophet advice. We live in a matrix built for numb, but we chant wake up, beat like drum. Me see youth scroll all day long, but never learn where them belong. Them sell likes, the mental peace, but your love now come with lease. Me say every swipe bill more chain, but me tune crack through that brain. Me say Babylon use the Wi-Fi net fi trap the soul and make you forget. Forget your roots, forget your name. Forget the struggle, build the flame. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line. System try fi control me way, but Jah light guide me every day. We not blind, we not tame. Even in code, we chant we name. Digital chains can't lock we soul. Me heart beat deep like Congo roll. Them take we data, sell we self, but knowledge sleep on dusty shelf. Me say, wake up from artificial dream. Life now live through glowing screen. Me granny say, pick me read stars. No youth read pixels from afar, but still me chant, fi overstand. Fi plant the seed, fi heal the land. Me nah trust no algorithm face. Them replace love with digital space. Them say AI know me my best, but AI can't feel heart in my chest. So me burn Babylon illusion. Me chant roots, real fusion. We not made fi clone or click. We made fi reason, made fi stick. Come you forward with open mind. Leave behind what them define. Come you dance fi truth and fire. Let go the phone raise you desire. Every chant a rebel wave. Every line a soul fi save. Me now whisper, me now fade. Me build rhythm like lion parade. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Lion brain think out of them line. System try to control. Them build wall high, but me spirit fly. Them flood the world with illusion lie. Me nah see crown, me nah wear mask. Me live truth, that a me only task. Me rise up early before the sun. Reason with Jah, me know me done. The TV chat, but me turn it low. Me hear the bird tell me what me know. The world full of static, nice and scheme, but Jah within keep me clean. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me chant till oppression cease. Them love control, me love freedom.
Jah influence. Clouds of Zion make the vibes immense. Them fight with culture, them not understand. Herb a just give for every woman and man. The farmer them a labor on Jah's land. Clouds of Zion carry just command. Say the fire burn bright, the truth ignite. The herb make the soul and Jah align tight. Clouds of Zion make the darkness light. Babylon can't stop Jah's might. The strain when me born a Jah's creation. Herb and the rhythm, the meditation. The fire carry the power for the nation. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibration. Me chant and the rhythm, Jah guide me speech. Herb make the wisdom easy fi reach. From the mountain to the valley, Jah love teach. Clouds of Zion, Jah vibes preach. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Pass the herb, let the fire grow. Clouds of Zion make Jah love flow. Babylon can't stop Jah's glow. Zion vibes lead wherever we go. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die. Light, clouds of Zion, Jah love can die.
In the shadows where the herb them grow, Rastaman walk, the mystic flow. Guided by Jah, the fire low. The secret of the earth we come fi know. Long time me hear about the Ganja King. Him walk the hills, the truth him bring. With the chalice blaze and a sacred string. Enchant the psalms and heal the pain. Them say him find the holy grail. A herb so pure Babylon can't prevail. With lamb's bread lighting up the pot, they make the wicked tremble. Jah laugh. Ganja Mystic, the wisdom divine. Smoke rise high, Jah open the sign. On the journey we seek and find. Truth and fire, the world align. Babylon sent soldier fi hunt him down, but the mystic vanish, him can't be found. Him said the herb belong for the humble and meek. The healing of the nations, Jah words I speak. We burn the colonist in the sacred grove. The ganja light the way, Jah love we prove. From hilltop high to the valley low, Rasta chant, the herbs still grow. Them try to criminalize Jah plan, but Jah wisdom higher than mortal man. Herb are the teacher, the healer true. With every draw, Jah blessings renew. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. smoke can't hide the mystic vision, just spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze the eternity.
Yeah, yeah. Rise up, my people. Roots deeper than steel and stone. Zion echoes, hear the tone. Them city built with chain and pain. Them skyline shine but soul feel drained. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake, but me heart hold ancient vision. Beat steady in jazz provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi chant till chains began. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pon earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Them call we backward, them scan we way, but roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Roots over steel. Zion echoes real. Roots blaze, roots fly. Zion roots, ayayay. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah man. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion roars in the valley, strong and loud. In Jah's guidance, we stand so proud. Me heart full of fire, the vision clear. Rasta teachings near,
Babylon we fear. From the trenches of Kingston to the hills of the east, me lion heart never cease, never feast. Just wisdom me carry, me soul unbreakable. Like the lion's roar, me power unshakable. With each burn, we cleanse the soul. We honor the path as the stories unfold. Through the pain, the lion rise. With wisdom and truth, me reach the skies. Through jazz fire, me grow the roots. Lion's heart, truth never dilute. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With jazz love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With jazz love, we ignite the fight. Me lion heart, beating through the sound. We move with power, no fear to be found. Through jazz strength, me break the chains. Make with spirit rise, free from the pain. The earth, my brethren, we no play. We rise in the sun and praise the way. Me heart pure, like the fire burn for jazz love. We always return the lion heart. In Jah we trust, in Jah's guidance we never rust. Forever we chant, lion strength to reclaim. Me lion heart, forever remain. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With jazz love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With jazz love, we ignite the fight.
Zion roots. Me feel the earth beneath me feet. Me roots run deep, me feel the heat. Me chant for the strength, me chant for the sound. Me know jazz power, me stand on the ground. Me rise with the rhythm, me rise with the trees. Me feel the power in the warm breeze. Me trust in the earth, me trust in the sky. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the why. Me know the struggle, me know the pain. Me rise above the stress and the strain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the love. Me know Jah guides me from above. Me face the challenges, me face the fight. But me trust in Jah, me walk in the light. Me rise in the earth, me rise in the heat. Me feel Jah's blessings, me feel complete. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me face the trials, me face the test. But me trust in Jah, me know me best. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me chant for the wisdom, me chant for the truth. Me walk with Jah, me rise in the youth. Me face the struggles, me face the pain. But me rise with Jah, me feel the gain. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the seed. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the need. Me face the storm, me face the rain. But me rise above, me feel the gain. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me rise from the roots, me rise from the soil. Me trust in Jah, me stay loyal. Me walk in the earth, me feel the peace. Me rise with Jah, me feel the release. Zion echoes, Cali Kush smoke. Me like the spliff, me feel the breeze. Me puff the herb, me live with ease. Me watch the smoke rise slow and high. Me feel the rhythm, me touch the sky. Purple haze, the best in town. Me pass the spliff, me never frown. Inhale the bliss, me feel the peace. Me puff the ganja, me soul release. The sunset low, the moon a shine. Me inna the zone, me sip the wine. The herb a the cure, me soul it heal. Me puff the weed, me feel the real. Every drag, me see the light. Me feel the calm, me feel the might. We inna the garden, the flowers grow. Me take the puff, the vibes a flow. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the you. We puff the sweet, we puff the strong. Inna the rhythm, we sing the song. Lemon kush, the flavor so nice. Me roll the spliff, me pay the price. Me step on the street, me feel so blessed. The herb for the soul, me never stress. Every drug a meditation for the mind. Me puff the ganja, me leave it behind. Me a the fire, me are the flame. Me puff the herb, me never tame. Herb a me guide, me soul it free. Me take a puff, me let it be. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the hue. Me light the spliff, me feel the way. Me puff the herb, me face the day. Herb is me friend, me rise in the light. Me smoke the weed, me live the fight.
Ayayay, my Rastafari's, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, Me say rise, like this city, like this skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jam music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots. Me say blaze through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots. Me say rise, like this city, like this skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jam music, shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say